Hello friends, schoolsteps.in welcomes you again. In this tutorial, we will discuss about notifications. Let's proceed. Go to File, New, Other. Type Android here. Look for Android application project. Click Next. Give the application name as Notifications and package name as in.schoolsteps. Choose minimum API as 11 and target and compile with 19. Click Next, Next, Next. Choose empty activity here. Next and finish. Open activity main.xml and delete hello world. From the left hand side, drag one button and place it in the center. Go to the source of activity main.xml. Change the text to notification. Let's implement the onClick property and define the name of the method. Let's give the method name as notify me. Copy this method and go to main activity.java. Let's implement the method here. It's public void method name and default parameter is view. Save it and let's import view. Just go over it and press Ctrl and 1 together. Save it. In this method, the first thing which we need to do is to take help from the static class notification compat. Just type notification and press Ctrl and spacebar together. After getting the class notification compat, which is a static class, just press dot and look for builder. Builder is the object inside the notification compact. In the context, we need to pass this. After creating the builder object, we need to set three things. These three things are the minimal which are required. The first one is the title and the method for that is set content title. So we need to say builder dot set content title. Let's pass the title as quizzes updates by school steps. The second required thing is the text and the method is set content text. Let's say builder dot set content text and let's say 10 more quizzes have been updated. The third required thing is the icon. We need to set the icon and the method is set small icon. And here we need to pass r dot drawable dot. Let's pick something which is already existing. Let's say IC underscore launcher. Here drawable is referring to the folders on the left hand side, which is drawable -HDPI, LDPI, MDPI and other two. If you expand any of the folder, you will get IC underscore launcher, which is being referred here. Depending upon the resolution of your cell phone, it will pick the PNG file from the appropriate folder. Let's set one extra property which is ticker and the method is set ticker. Let's pass updates by schoolsteps.in. Now we'll be needing two things. One is the notification manager and another one is the notification ID. Let's say int notification ID is equal to 1 and let's create notification manager. Let's create the object of notification manager here, and to create the object of notification manager we need to take help from the get system service method, which is the inbuilt method. Get system service. Just press Ctrl and spacebar together. And the parameter which we need to pass is context.notification underscore service. So simply type context.notification service. Now the return type of this method is object, so we need to typecast it. Next we need the help of the notify method to display the notification. So say notification manager dot notify choose the second one. In the int, pass notification ID which we have just created, and in the second parameter we need to say builder dot build. Save it. Let's run our program. Here is the output of our program. Click on notification and it will ticker the text updates by schoolsteps.in. Left click here, hold it for some time and drag it below. The title is quizzes updates by schoolsteps.in and the text is 10 more quizzes have been updated. Let's quickly understand the concept of notification ID. Notification ID is the unique ID which represents one notification. Let's click here. You will not find any change right here. Let's go back to our program and make some changes to understand the concept of notification ID. Right here in the end, say notification ID is equal to notification ID plus 1. And let's run our program again. Let's click on the button. It will ticker the text and give you the required notification. Let's go back to the button again. Let's click again. It will now again ticker the text and it will give you second notification. Reason being, the first notification is represented by the ID 1 and second one is represented by the ID 2. Let's try more. You will get the third notification. I hope this clarifies the concept of the notification ID. We will proceed with the notifications in our next tutorial. Friends, with this I take your leave. The code for the application is available on the link given in the description. Catch you in the next tutorial. Happy learning.